your negative 7. So a negative 7 times z would be,
Negative 7z.
and then a negative 7 times a negative 6 would be positive 42. So then how do you get rid of a positive
Negative
42?
42.
Negative 42, negative 42. So this would give me negative 7z, and this would give me negative 102. Is that right? 100. 112, yes. So then I divide by a negative 7, divide by a negative 7, and that's how we get z to equal 16. Okay, the reason why we probably miss it is because a negative 6 and a negative 7, a negative times a negative is a positive. On number 6, you distribute your negative 2/3, so it'd be negative 2/3 w. And then a negative times a negative is a positive. You can't reduce anywhere, so 4 times 2 is 8 over 3 times 9, which is 27, and that equals negative 4/5. Oops, fifths. Then I would subtract 8 27, subtract 8 27s. Good thing I can use a calculator. Somebody type that in their calculator for me. What do you get? Negative 4/5 minus 8 over 27. $68 over 135. Does somebody agree with them? Uh, 8 over 27. I got negative 1 and 13 over 135. Again, just type it in your calculator. So then I would divide by negative 2/3, divide by negative 2/3. So when I divide by negative 2/3, I get 1 over 174 over 270, but that can be reduced to 1 and 29 over 45.
Is this the completion?
Yes. Alright? So just use your calculator, especially on that one when it kind of comes out ugly, use your calculator. Alright, number 7, the length of each side of an equilateral triangle. What does equilateral mean?
All sides the same.
All sides are the same. Is increased by 5. The perimeter is 70. Right? And solve an inequality to find the original length of the side of the quadrilateral. So what was the original side of my quadrilateral?
No.
5.
We don't know. It says it was increased by 5. That does not mean it is 5. So what do you write when you don't know?
Variable.
Variable. So x. How do you write increased by 5?
Plus 5.
Plus 5. Now that would be for one side. How many sides do I have? 3, because it's a triangle. And that gives me the perimeter, which is 60. So then I would distribute 3 times x. 3 times 5. How would I get rid of it, Damien? What would be my next step? No? It's a plus 15, so how do you get rid of it?
Negative.
Negative 15 or minus 15, same thing. I'd get 45 equals 3x. Then I would divide by 3. So what does x equal?
15.
So 15 inches.
I was confused. I'm looking at the top.
Oh yeah, we distributed. Okay.